equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, ensure your Dyson SV10 is unplugged. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver and a clean cloth. First, locate the battery release button on the back of the vacuum. Press it to detach the battery. Next, remove the screws holding the battery in place. Keep these screws safe for reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently lift the old battery away. Before installing the new battery, take a moment to clean the internal compartment. Dust can affect performance. Now, align the new battery with the connectors and push it into place. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tight and secure. After that, reattach the battery cover. Give your vacuum a quick visual check to ensure everything looks good. If you need assistance, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Plus, we provide pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just convenience. Get a quote before repair to know your costs upfront. Now, plug in your Dyson and enjoy a cleaner home. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.